And it's been a week since the snowstorm hit our area, and city drivers tell us most of the roads are still a mess. Freezing temperatures and city plows unable to get to some residential streets aren't making things easier. 5 on your side's Brent Solomon is in the Weather Impact Storm Tracker now after spending the evening tracking conditions. Brent.
We sure have, Mike. How are the roads? That's what we always ask, just about all of us, when anyone asks us to go anywhere right now. And for good reason. Take a look at this right here. This is how it's looking on many side streets and small neighborhood streets all across the city. We're in the Benton Park area right now, and I tell you what, this is really a snapshot of similar conditions all over St. Louis.
You don't have to be an expert to understand what just about everyone is thinking.
They're pretty slick. They're icy. They're pretty icy.
It's terrible.
Sharday Embry would know. We found her here at Magnolia in Virginia in South City.
And I'm currently stuck. And I'm a pediatric nurse, and I've missed a whole week of work because I can't get my car out.
Good neighbors to the rescue.
Move your tire to the left, like to the left a little.
With a little effort from strangers,
Yeah, I was just passing by. I had the stuff in the back of my truck.
she made it out.
I don't think we would have done it without your help here, but yeah.
All over the city.
Well, the main streets are great. Arsenal's fine, South Grand is fine, but it's just these streets where we live.
City leaders say snowplows are not able to get into smaller residential streets. That's why it's the same old tune for so many right now. At the music room, students have had trouble getting to class, even after the school reopened following the snowstorm.
The last one was stopped.
You weren't able to go.
Yeah.
But Mom navigated the icy roads so Layla and Julian could get here.
Oh, the streets are terrible in the neighborhoods, and even around the schools, they're still pretty rough.
Monday, we learned one neighbor in the Botanical Heights neighborhood is taking matters into his own hands, starting an online fundraiser to hire a company to remove the snow and salt the roads.
So sick of the snow, though. I'm over it.
And he's not the only one. We're back alive now. We're on Pestalozzi and McNair right now. You see the conditions. And I'll tell you this, last year the city street department cut $600,000 from its budget, which would have went to snow removal. Leaders said they had enough salt on hand because recent winters weren't that bad. Tonight I've learned that the Urban League is actually helping out senior citizens actually clear their steps and even their sidewalks because everyone has to help each other out right now. We're live in St. Louis. Brent Solomon, right back to you.